Scabulli, the game of escape, is a dynamic game that blends strategy, agility, and strength. The number of participants is flexible, but the classic format has teams switching between attacking and defending. Attackers aim to reach the opponent's den to score points, while defenders try to stop them. The video showcases a 1 versus 1 version with punches and kicks added to the basic rules. Engagements remain controlled. With no dangerous maneuvers, attackers earn points by entering the den, with bonus points for consecutive scores. Those who reach 8 consecutive points without being stopped gain the knife bonus, allowing them to eliminate defenders with their hits. The knife is lost if they enter the den. The round ends or they get disarmed.
Not fair.
The game also includes tapping out and restarting attackers who are controlled on the ground for too long can tap out, losing their points and re-entering after a set penalty. Scoring attackers must also re-enter the game from a designated point outside the clash owned. Scabulli is adaptable, allowing or excluding striking based on agreements between players. Beyond being a sport, it's a valuable tool for self-defense training, improving body control, quick decision-making, and stress management in a safe yet intense environment. More than just a game, Scabulli is a unique mix of skill, strategy, and physical challenge.